Hey everyone, welcome to another video and another unboxing and first impressions. And this one is of a classic scent, but I do believe they've put it in a new bottle, so I don't know if it's been like reformulated or whatever's going on, or they've just updated the bottles. Armani have been doing a lot of updating on bottles, very much so, certainly in the Acqua di Gio line, and they've also done it with this one and a few others, so maybe they're just shaking up the bottles for a change. I'm not 100% sure, but we have 100 mils excuse me, of Emporio Armani HE, as you can see there, out of toilette, 100 mils. So this normally comes in a little, it's like a tube, almost like a black tube, the little atomizer on the front. If they've sent me the right one, then this should be the different one in the bottled one. So we'll see how things go on. So hope you're all doing okay and enjoying your fragrances, and health is okay and all that sort of thing. Anything like that you want to talk about, leave in the comment section. I'm always happy to help people. So as you can see, they have sent me the right one. Now the other one was a pale, sort of matte bottle, all in one with a little spray on the front. You've probably seen them. They've changed the packaging. Emporio Armani. Just this sort of like spray can sort of style. And it's got a nice chrome finish. It's okay, you know, it reminds me of another Armani that they used to have. Can't think of the name of it off the top of my head, but yeah, so Armani HE in the new packaging. What do you think? I actually quite like it. I like they've got like a cap and that on it now, similar to the new code bottles, I suppose, in a way. Obviously they didn't have the silver band and that, but so I'm going to have first impressions, because I've never tried HE. I've always fancied picking it up, but never did. Then when they changed the bottles to these sort of cans, I thought, you know, I'll give it a go. So first impressions. Oh, you have to excuse me, I'm suffering with a chesty cough at the minute, but it just hasn't affected my taste or smell or anything like that. So I don't know if you'll see, but it's nice and shiny. Bit of a perfumer's alcohol on the top. I'll let that settle down. So leave a comment in the comment section if you ever had the original Armani HE. I never have. It was sort of something I was considering when I was younger, seeing it in the shops, but then as I was thinking about getting it, I do believe Code actually came out, and I bought Code instead, and I never got around to trying this one. Actually pretty good. I mean, there's still some alcohol there. This is coming off quite herbal on my skin. Again, fresh, clean. It's actually quite something unusual in this. I don't know what it is. It's a bit hard to smell. I think it might need a bit of time in the bottle to macerate, or whatever you call it. Not masturbate. But something fresh, yeah, herbal about it. Something unusual. Maybe a little tart. Yeah, something a little Couldn't really think of the word, not tart, but sharp. There's something a little sharp to it. Maybe there's some citrus that's quite bitter, type tart. Sharp. It smells like it's going to be quite well blended, like soft, subtle, smooth, but not creamy, anything like that. So, first impressions, can't smell a lot, but what I can smell, it's, as I say, there's a bit of a tartness, a bit of sharpness to it, a little bit herbal, but it's all smooth. Could be a nice fresh date night scent sort of thing, without being sweet or gourmandish or anything like that. So we'll see how it goes. I will eventually get around to reviewing this after I've worn a fair bit of it. That's how I like to do my reviews. I'm not one for doing a review on Boxing Day. So let me know in the comment section if you've had this, you've tried it, do you like it, not like it, or if you had it from the original bottle. If you have had this, has it changed from the original bottle? I don't know, in all honesty. So let me know in the comment section, or if you've got anything else to say, leave in the comment section. I'll ask you if I can. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It would really help me out. And hopefully I'll see you again soon on the next unboxing.